Okay, welcome everyone. What I asked you to do today was read the case of Aaron Khan, which is a case from the Supreme Court of New South Wales, which relates to the ability of a spouse, de facto partner, parent, or child to object to giving evidence in a criminal trial against the defendant. And in Aaron Khan, as you know, Mrs. Khan, after giving a statement to the police on the night of the murder, and Mr. Khan was charged with that murder, indicated that she would change her story if required to give evidence against Mr. Khan in the trial. And at trial, the defense counsel indicated that Mrs. Khan would be objecting giving evidence under Section 18, Sub 6 of the Uniform Evidence Act. And I just want to take you to that section. Okay, and the operative part is the balancing test in Section 18, Sub 6, which you can read there for yourselves, looking at the likelihood of harm against the extent that harm outweighs the desirability of the evidence being given. And with respect to the facts in Aaron Khan, what facts did the court take into account in determining that Mrs. Khan was not required to give evidence?
Professor, in the judgment, Justice Hidden wrote that in any event, there is abundant evidence apart from Mrs. Khan that the accused was the killer and that the attack was a ferocious one. Several police who attended the scene have given evidence that he admitted to the killing, having come upon the deceased in sexual intimacy with his wife. Observations by police at the scene, including a trail of blood from the front bedroom on the ground floor to the family room where the deceased was found, confirmed that the attack commenced in that bedroom and progressed to the rear of the house. A pathologist who attended the scene and later conducted a post-mortem examination observed 67 knife-inflicted wounds over a considerable area of the body of the deceased, of which only 8 had the appearance of defensive wounds. So it seems to me that just in those few lines there, they are the things that the judge took into account in relation to Section 18, subsection 6.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. And with respect to that, if you take a look at subsection 7 of Section 18,